School of Engineering and Technology, established in 2016 under the Central University of Haryana, has an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. How are the BTech courses here? Let's find out, starting with placements, which has been rated 2.8 stars by students. 37 out of the 175 graduating students secured placements in 2022-23 as per NIRF 2024 data. Looking at the year-on-year trend, there has been an overall growth of 49% in median salary from 2022 to 2023. Some of the notable recruiters included Wipro, Infosys, Mahindra, Punjab National Bank, MG Motors, Uber, Swift and Hudson, and TCS, among others. Students were offered roles such as system engineer, data analyst, software developer, and full stack developer. According to reviews, students considered off-campus placements more beneficial than on-campus opportunities. More students secure internship roles in companies like Rajdhani BSES compared to those who obtained full-time positions, reflecting varying levels of success among students in securing employment opportunities. The institute has much ground to make up in comparison to BML Munjal University, which boasts of a significantly higher median salary. A total of 4 specializations are offered under the BTech program, that is of computer science, electrical engineering, civil engineering, printing and packaging. Eligibility to the program requires applicants to have a minimum of 60% score in the 10+2 exams. And admission is granted for BTech as per the rank secured in JEE Mains. In all engineering branches, there has been a significant increase in competition for admission compared to the previous year. The fee for the 4-year program is 2.46 lakhs excluding hostel charges. Hostel fees at CUH is charged per semester basis. Students here benefit from various scholarships and fellowships offered. Moving on to infrastructure, rated 4.2 stars by students. The institution spans across 484 acres in Jantipal villages, 125 kilometers from Delhi Gurgaon via National Highway 8, and includes 7 schools besides SOET. Computer science and engineering students enjoy smart board-enabled spacious classrooms and air-conditioned computer research labs. BTech Electrical Engineering students have access to 8 labs, a dedicated engineering library, seminar halls, software labs. Beyond good infrastructure, the Civil Engineering Department offers 6 specialized labs including surveying, transportation, advanced fluid mechanics to enhance hands-on student experience. A total of 8 state-of-the-art labs are provided to the students for printing and packaging technology. The entire campus has high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity and a centralized library fully stocked with journals, books and publications. The institution offers 4 girls' hostels and 3 boys' hostels featuring 2 badminton courts, a reading room, a gymnasium and a TV room. The institution features a multi-purpose yoga hall and facilities for basketball, volleyball, football and other sports. Students also have access to dedicated healthcare centers. Additional facilities include bank with ATM, transport options and guest house. Students say that the mess food is delicious and they have access to a separate cafeteria. Faculty and course curriculum have been given a rating of 3.9 stars. Students find the faculty to be knowledgeable, helpful, highly qualified and approachable, with most of them holding PhD degrees. Curriculum is relevant with industry standards and pass percentage is 40% as per student. Students have given a rating of 4 stars to the campus life. Different clubs operate on campus, encouraging student participation in extracurricular activities. The Intra-Cultural Institution Fest is eagerly anticipated by students. Students thoroughly enjoy campus life. SOET CUH is currently unranked in the NIRF ranking. For more details on SOET CUH and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.